You asked, how to divide 6081 by 3 using the long division method. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 1, making 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 minus 21 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2027.